These are key features of the Moran.
That's what happened on my birthday. You had to carry me at my party.
He's just talking.
So she didn't invite you?
Is a roller coaster. This is squiggly. This is a funnel. This is the loop-de-loop. This is a more type of squigglies. That one, the blue one, and that one, the orange one. Here's the other one. We got
She'll do it to them too then.
spinners. This is from my most popular video. Recognizes the long entrance funnel. These are the two double entrance funnels, and there are a couple dividers things. These are a water slide. I think that's one of my favorite pieces of key features you might want to put into the Here's a staircase, the vertical spinner, some trigger thing. You might see it right there, right over there. I think over there too. Bye bye.